Okay, let's set that aside. Set the face down. We're gonna finish the inverter. Like I said before, no wire adapter required with same pin now. So what we can do is that we move the screw. We're gonna put the probably just one screw. The other end we use this type of what we call, it's called a plastic pole. Remove it, connect to it. See this? I'm gonna connect the side, peel it off. I need to align this hole first. Okay, perfect. Oops. Okay. I need to bend the wire a little bit because the wire's been like this before. Okay. Oops. Okay. All right. So make sure it's tight. So far so good. Okay. Now remember, when you put the touchscreen back, you want to clean this a little bit, the glass, because I was using my hand to touch this. Okay, let me clean it, be back. Finish the cleaning. So I'm going to set my touchscreen here, so that way easy to mount it. Of course, this end we make sure it's clean too. Okay, so we're gonna put it like this, like that. Okay, so lots of screws. Make sure, yeah. Yep, it's in. So this one goes to this end, and perfect. Put the screw back. It's almost done. Lots of screws. And we just gonna put it back the metal cover. Take this one out. Perfect. Put lock back. Put the screw back. Alright, so just finish all the screws, and that's it. Thank you for watching.